What is up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while. But let's stop being so worried about the past. Leave that be. I'm here and I'm back and I'm never leaving. I mean, we should never say never, but I'm back now. And I got content coming and it's up from here, okay? So you know the drill. I mean, because we party here, okay? We have a good time here, okay? Definitely now that I'm back. And y'all should stay for the party, okay? Again, don't forget to subscribe. I'll wait for you. It's down there. The button. Did you do it? Okay. Okay. Thanks, Lotta. Can't wait. I'm so happy you joined the party. But no, if you want to see how I got this look, please stay. Let me know if you like. Let me know if you don't like. I don't care if you don't like, but you can let me know if you don't like. Okay, let me stop. Maybe stop. Okay, no. Okay, so we're starting off on freshly shampooed and conditioned hair. Here I'm going in with my virgin nut. What? Virgin nut. What I meant to say was virgin coconut oil by the Simple Truth organic brand and my Shea Moisture Jamaican black castor oil strengthen and restore leave-in conditioner. God, that's a long name. But anyways, basically what I'm doing here is I'm doing some detangling and moisturizing before I style. So I take a section, spritz it with water. I take my virgin nut, okay, let me stop playing. The coconut oil and my Shea Moisture leave-in conditioner. I put some in my hand. I mix them in my hand and then I coat the section. I then take my Denman brush, comb it through, and then I plait it as you see here. That's basically all I do. I'm gonna get another section and do the same thing. I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of this before I hop right into the style. But yeah, this is basically what I do. I'm gonna do the rest off camera. And one of these days, I'm gonna give you guys a full wash day where you see like how I shampoo, how I condition, and then how I get to this point. But yeah, here it is. And then we're gonna, once I come back, we'll hop right into the styling portion. And I'm back already. I did one Flexi Rod off camera already, and I'm here to show you one on camera. So here's my section. Mind you, it's already been moisturized and everything. I'm taking this little itty bitty rat tail comb just to do some further detangling. Now, I do not use the rat tail comb unless my hair is already detangled and I'm like working on a small section. And this is just to make sure that my curls are smooth. It's the look I'm going for. Okay? Picked up the Denman, doing some further detangling. And, girl, where's the Lotta body foam? Oh, there it is. There she is. So I'm going to take some of this Lotta body foam. Where is it? There it is. Okay. And I'm going to put it on the section. We're going to need more than that, though. Coat that all in. More. Okay. Oh, we're going to need more than that as well. But yeah. Okay. Get that all in. Okay. Take that itty bitty rat tail comb. Be careful now, honey. We do not want to pull our hair out. Okay. Denman brush. Now there is the spritz. The spritz bottle. You're gonna need a mist bottle because the hair will start to dry up, and I want to make sure it's damped when I roll. I don't want it to be too damp, so I want to cut down drying time as well. But I also want it to be, damp for a nice curl. Okay. Okay, Isis, how much? Where's the roller? Please. Okay, more foam, y'all. More Lotta body foam. I didn't see that coming. Oh, no you didn't grab that rat tail comb again. Girl, enough is enough. Oh my God. Where's the roller? Okay, get the twist. Boop. You see that twist? Okay. Here comes the roller. I know the roller's coming. There she is. Now, pay attention to how I twist this hair onto this roller because it's two type of curls you can get. You can either get the Susie Q curls or you can get that curly fry look. I'm going for the curly fry look. I like the Suzy Q curls too, but that's not what I want right now. So what I do is I twist my hair and then roll it. Here I got my rat tail comb. I just want to make sure it's smooth. So you'll see me grabbing that rat tail comb as I'm twisting, and that denim brush as I'm twisting it around, because I still want the curl to be smooth. But yeah, I twist and roll. I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say. Let me just let y'all watch it. I can't talk today, y'all. Okay. Twist, roll. Did you catch that? No, because that big old hand in the way. We gonna do better, y'all. We gonna do better. Let's see if you catch this. No. Can you see that? Twist, roll, bam. Then we're gonna get some of that Eco Styler gel and put it on the end so it sticks to the roller. See that? Okay, we see ice. Now, get a little bit of that, put it on the end. Oh, girl, we see it. Put it on there. Put it on the end so it sticks. We're gonna twist that thing and bend that thing. Bop. Wop. Meet. Mop. Okay? There we go. Okay, girl. Now, y'all, I gotta do the rest off camera, but I'm gonna let y'all see a close-up of these. Let's get a little closer. Now, can you see how it's twisted? You see them little twirls in there? Like them little twirly, curly fry curls? You see that? Okay, y'all see it. Let me shut up. I know you see that. Bam. And we are back. Want to come back and show y'all a little something. I still got more to go though, but I want to show you all the progress. It's hard to do it on camera, y'all. I'm gonna do a full Flexi Rod set on camera though for y'all one day, where it's more detailed and my big old hands ain't in the way. Showing you the front, that's where the top knots are gonna be, and then that section is where I have to roll the rest of that. Just want to show y'all what else I had to roll. We see it. Now go off camera and roll the rest, baby. And we are back. Okay. We are back. And we are done. Now, I apologize. What you all didn't see is me do those 2 top knot buns. And after I got done with my Flexi Rod set, I started recording again. Well, I thought I started recording again, but I didn't. So whole time while I'm sitting in there doing angles in the camera view, whole time the camera wasn't even rolling, y'all. So I apologize about that. But all I did was basically I parted my hair down the middle. Hold on, let me take the scarf off first. I parted my hair down the middle there. I gelled up one side with the Eco Styler gel. And once I got into that ponytail, I did a plait. I hope y'all can, I'm wondering if y'all could tell if that's a plait. I hope y'all can tell that's a plait. I plaited it and then I rolled it and I just put a rubber band around it. I apologize. Whole time, camera wasn't even rolling, but yeah. So here we are going to take down the Flexi Rods, and this part is basically, this part is self-explanatory, so I'm just going to let you all watch. All right, be back. You love. It's hard for me to say you love. With the brothers, you know how we do. It's It's hard for me to say you
love. With the brothers, you know how we do. It's for me to say you love. It's hard for me to say you love. With the brothers, you know how we do. It's hard for me to say you love. It's hard for me to say you love. With the brothers, you know how we do. It's hard for me to say you love. It's hard for me to say you love. With the brothers, you know how we do. It's
So y'all, at this point, I heard a loud bang. It started thunderstorming. I'm like, oh my God, should I stop here? Should I keep going? Then I'm like, nah, let me just finish it up real quick. And I started thinking like, nah, I'm standing in front of this ring light, the TV going. Let me do the rest of this off camera. Boom. Then I came back like I never left. Wham. Thank you, ma'am. Oh, wait.
It's hard for me to say you love.
It's hard for me to say you love.
With the brothers, you know how we do.
It's
Hey, wop. It's like that.
With the brothers, you know how we do.
No, but I'm back. Wait, take two. You know what? I'm sitting here hot. I got this window open and it's hot. And I'm so weak at myself. I'm trying not to laugh on this camera. Look, I keep looking over here. I'm sorry. I just got a new camera and it's hard to focus when the lens is here. But anyway, I didn't feel like putting on no clothes to do this intro. Hold on, I gotta show y'all what I got on because I'm laughing at my own self. I didn't feel like putting on no clothes for this darn intro, y'all. So I done went and put a jean jacket over my loungewear. Wait, hold up. Do y'all see that? Looking like a whole fool. Oh my God, I look like a fool. I done buttoned it up. I did went and just like, just put it on top. Looking like a fool. It's whatever though. It's whatever. I'm done. Bye. Because I know y'all gonna roast me in the comments. Get on to the video. Bye.